Hello, my name is Carrie Prater. I'm the principal at Meadowview Elementary, and we have had so many families here tonight for open house. We're also excited to have everyone back in the building and ready for school to begin, and our families have been excited as well. We're going to have a great year. Go Trojans!
Hi, I'm Miss Bradford at Meadowview Elementary, and I'm the librarian. Right now we are giving away books to kids and moon pies if they filled out their information and did all their things at the open house.
Hello, I am Debbie Sharp. I'm the school nurse here at Meadowview Elementary. We have nurses forms that will be coming home on the first day of school. They're called the registration forms. Please fill them out front and back. Make sure you sign them. Let us know if your child is allergic or has any kind of medical condition we need to know about. We also have Healthy Kids Clinic, which will also see your child for other acute illnesses. Just any questions, give us a call. Ask for the school nurse. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks.
Yeah, this is Mr. Ford, Anthony Ford, working with the North Hardin Lions Club tonight. We're here for Eye Vision, and I think we're going to have a good year.
My name is Amanda Conrad, and I work for Great Clips, and we are out here giving haircuts to little kids coming into school.
My name is Antwan Tinker. I work at Untitled Salon and Spa, and I'm cutting some hair for back to school.
Awesome. Now, what do you call this hairstyle here? Deep and tight?
I don't know if it has a specific name, but it's a 1.5 on the side and just clip it and cut down on the top with some texture.
I'm Erin Glacken. I'm out doing hair for open house at Meadowview today. Getting some free haircuts for some kids before they start school.
I'm Brooke Medley, here doing some haircuts for Meadowview Elementary.
Hi, my name is Erica Scott. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Meadowview Elementary School. Tonight is our open house, and we are so excited to see everyone. And we have several things that we are sharing with the parents that are here tonight.
Hi, I'm Lauren Hales with the Radcliffe Literacy Project, and I'm here trying to show everyone where all of the little free libraries are in town so that they can utilize them to get free books for their children.
And I'm representing the Radcliffe Women's Club. Hi, I'm Julie Aldridge. And we have what's called the book nook here in town, where you can come and get adult books or children's books, and as well as free Wi-Fi, copying, fax machines, computer use. It's all available right behind City Hall here in Radcliffe. Everyone's welcome.